Want to get down to the New York Stock Exchange now, where our good friend Jim Cramer joins us. Got to get your thoughts this morning. We've had, about a little less than 24 hours, maybe 18 hours or less, to actually start to think through the implications of what you heard from Jay Powell. What do you think?
Well, I didn't understand why people felt that the statement at 2 o'clock, they all focused on this, well, there could be a lag. Why anyone would say that that would be the all-clear sign? He doesn't have anything, Jay, other than mortgage applications that shows that he's done. And I didn't understand why people were all excited, because there isn't anything. You got to give him something. And so, yeah, the market's reacting correctly, but the market has been reacting very, very strangely ever since the jolts. I mean, when we saw that there were a lot of jobs available, and then we know that there's still wage inflation, still food inflation. There's still rent inflation. I mean, he's not winning it. So, therefore, he's not winning. It's actually, he's being no hit.
If he's not winning, should he go even farther? Quicker?
No, I just said, no. Just can't. These rate hikes are huge. He just has to take rates up to, 4.5, 5, maybe 5.5. And people are freaked out about that. But I think he's been very consistent. He's done when things begin to roll over.
But what do you think the breaking point is, Jim? And I think that's what everybody's trying to figure out. Meaning, if there's a lag, what's the moment at which we say to ourselves, we were talking about earlier, you look at Pepsi with the 20% profits. At what point are they taking too much and they have to say to themselves, okay, we got to start offering discounts because it's just not going to work anymore?
Well, look, I think that October would turn out to be a pivotal month. It was really weak for everybody. We are now getting reports of companies who are saying, listen, we did great, but that does not include October. And October was just terrible. When you take a PepsiCo, I think they're the place to be. Why? Because every raw cost is going to come down very big once they roll over. They have a huge amount of contracts. When you look at Costco, they still had a good quarter, but they're still talking about food inflation. So what I'm hoping is that if you're going to want to be thinking this tight and settles to an end, is that October is the beginning. Because October is a really terrible month in the world and in this country. And all you have to do is read every single one of the reports. I can't find anything other than maybe Penn National that said that October was any good.